Welcome back, students. We'll continue doing question number 21 now. So, in 21, T question, a cylinder of radius 3 centimeter is inscribed in a sphere of radius 5 centimeter. Very, very tricky question actually. So, you have a sphere of radius 5 centimeter they told. So, its diameter is going to be 10 centimeter. Okay. A cylinder is inscribed. So, here you have a cylinder. They told find the volume of the cylinder, not the sphere. For cylinder, if you want to find the volume of cylinder formula is what? Cylinder pi r square h. So you know pi is 22 by 7. Radius, you know, they gave radius of the cylinder. Right down. Here this one is 3 centimeter. And the radius of the sphere will be 5 only, they told. 5, 3 into 3. What is h? H, how can we find? Means height we need to find. Listen carefully. Here, radius is sphere 5. So from the center to any point, it is radius. So from the any two points you taken on the sphere passes through the center is called diameter. So here 5, here 5, 10. Here you get a right angle triangle with 5 plus 5, 10 is your slant or anything. Okay, here it forms a right circular cylinder, so it will be 90, and that base length is 3 plus 3. Okay, that base triangular base one is nothing but the diameter of the cylinder, so that is 3 plus 3, 6. So you have a triangle with one side 10, 90 degree here, here 6. By Pythagorean triplet, you can say height equals to 8. So when you use that height equals to 8 here, you can see this one. Okay. So what you will get? 22 by 7 into 3 into 3 into 8. So if you multiply this now, 9 8s are 72. The 22 by 7, if I use pi itself, you can get an option 3. So first question P goes to option 3. Okay. So we'll go to next one. A conical pit. If you choose from the option itself, either it can be option 3 or option 4. If you find Q, you can easily say whether it is option third option or fourth option. So Q is a conical pit of top diameter. Conical pit is there. A cone with a conical pit with its top diameter, they mentioned 3.5 centimeters. So D equal to 3.5 meters, radius equal to 3.5 by 2, or else you can multiply and divide by 10, 35 by 20, or you can furthermore, if you divide by 5 table, you will get 7 by 4 is your radius. Okay, that's your radius. And they mention it's deep. Deep is 12 meters. That means height is 12 meters. Understood? This is our Q. Q, find the capacity of the pit. Capacity, volume. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 times. Okay, we'll substitute that pi later. Okay. Why? Because okay. In options they gave Q goes to either 1 or 2. In 1 and 2 both it is pi is not there. It is, since it is in value, we'll substitute the value. It is 1 by 3 times 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into height is 12. 7 and 7 cancel. 3 4s are 12. This 12 cancel. So 22 into 7 divided by 4. 2 table 11. Here we get 2. 77 by 2. 38.5 meter cube. It's your volume. So 38.5 is in our. So this one is P. This is Q. So by this I can clearly say my option 3 is the answer. We can find R and S as well. So R is nothing but the length of a cube is given. Sorry, length of the diagonal of a cube. For cube, if you know the diagonal which connects the longest one is possible from this particular point to the front. So diagonal is nothing but side into root 3. So the side is A root 3. They told it as 8 root 3. So root 3 cancel means your side will be 8. So volume will be 8 cube. 8 cube is 512. What is 512 centimeters cube? So this one says it's your R. So it is obvious that S will goes to 4. We can find that as well. The capacity of a conical vessel whose height is given, slant height is given. So since height and slant heights are given, you can able to find the radius. Okay, a triangle is there. Slant height is given like 13, height is 12. By Pythagorean triplet, radius will be 5. So volume of that is code 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into, or you can use pi itself, 5 into radius is 5 into 5 into height is 12. So 25 into 12, if you, oh, 12 is cancel, you get 4. 25 into 4 into 5, 103. So everything says this is your S goes to 4. So that's all for question number 21. We'll go to question number 22 now. A cone and a hemisphere have equal base radius, equal volumes, then their height ratio of the height to the radius. Okay. So you are talking about two things, a cone and then a cone and then hemisphere. Okay, hemisphere is there. Both of them having same base radius. So here also R, radius here also R, and equal volume. So volume is equal means volume of cone equals to volume of hemisphere. So it's nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h. This one is nothing but 2 by 3 pi r cube. Since radius is same, this will get cancelled, pi and pi cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. H equals to 2r you are getting. Okay. So they ask you the ratio between height to radius. So height by radius is 2 by 1. So height to radius is 2 is to 1 ratio. 2 is to 1. So your P goes to 4. P goes to 4. Have only one option. So first option is the answer. Can you understand? This one thing alone enough. Or if you want, you can do conical of the Q as well as R and S also. Okay. Q is this itself enough to find the answer. But if they ask everything as a separate question, we can do them as this is P, we will do Q. Okay. Q is a cone and a cylinder are of same height. Okay. So there is one cone, its height as well as cylinder height, both of them are same. H and H are common. Okay. And their radius are in a ratio 2 is to 1. Means here if it is R1, here it is R2. R1 by R2 is in a ratio 2 is to 1. What is their volume? Volume of cone divided by volume of their cylinder. They didn't mention from where to where. Okay, let's first find out cone to cylinder. Volume of the cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h, and this will be cylinder is pi r square h. So it's r1 square and r2 square. Pi and pi cancel, h and h both are same. So it will be 1 by 3 into r1 by r2 square. If you take it is 2 by 1 whole square. Okay, so it is going to be 4 by 3. So the ratio between from the cone to cylinder is 4 is to 3. So it says 4 is to 3 alone is there. 3 is to 4 not there. So obviously it is from cone to cylinder. So next one. R. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere. Means you have a sphere and you have a cylinder that is just the enclosures means its radius are same. This is R, cylinder also radius will be R, height will be 2R. Okay, sphere also radius will be r. So what is the ratio of their curved surface area? So we find out their radius of or CSA of sphere by CSA of cylinder. So sphere is 4 pi r square, cylinder is 2 pi r h, pi and pi cancel, r and r cancel, this and this cancel, 2r divided by h will be there. Actually your h also, h of the cylinder is also 2r, 2r and 2r cancel 1 by 1, so they are in a ratio 1 is to 1. So this is your r. If you check, p goes to 4, q goes to 3, r goes to 2, everything is there, so automatically s will also goes to 1. Okay, last three integer type questions. Question number 23, square of the diagonal of a cube. So we have a cube, it is having a diagonal drawn from the longest side possible from this point to this point. The diagonal is nothing but side into root 3. They told this one, the diagonal square of the diagonal of a cube has an area 75. So square of that is 75. What's the basically say is, if this diagonal is there, with that if you form a square, the sheet is of 75 centimeter square they told. So anyhow d equal to root 75, that you can write 25 into 3, that's 5 root 3. But by formula we know a into root 3, so it implies your side is 5. So side of a cube is 5 centimeters. Okay, so you can have 5 centimeters. Okay, question number 24. So question number 24, number of solid spheres of each of diameter 6 can be molded from a solid metal cylinder. That means a metal cylinder is big one. From here you are molding into solid spheres of diameter 6, which implies radius 3 centimeter. This cylinder is having a dimension height 45, h equals to 45 centimeter, diameter 4 centimeter, means radius 2 centimeter. So how many such spheres can be made? Number of spheres will be volume of the cylinder by volume of sphere. What is the volume of cylinder formula? Volume of cylinder is going to be pi r square h. So 2 into h is 40 divided by sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 3 into 3 into 3. Pi and pi cancel. So this 3 and this 3 cancel. 3 3s are 9. So here we will get 5. 4 and 4 cancel. Overall 4. So number, how many can be formed is 5 spheres possible. Okay. So next question, 25th last question. So three cubes of side 4 centimeters are joined. Actually you have a cube 1 with 4, 4, 4. Like this you have three cubes, 1, 2 and 3. All these things have joined together. If these together are joined means it will form a cuboid. Okay, a cuboid which 5, sorry not 5, 4, 4, 4, it's also 4, this also 4. The length of the cuboid is 12, breadth is still 4, height is still 4. So length 12, breadth 4, height 4. They are asking me to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So what is the total surface area? 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Okay. So 2 into 12 fours are 48. LH again 48, 16. So we'll get 2 into 1 into. Okay. You can have as it is or you can find 224. Then ratio of this to the total surface area of 3 cubes means total surface area of 1 cube TSA of 1 cube you can multiply by 3. So what is that? 6 into a square. So 3 into 6 into 4 square. That is your total surface area of the 3 cubes. No need to evaluate because we are going to find the ratio. Okay. So ratio of TSA of the cuboid by TSA of 3 cubes. So 224 divided by 3 into 6 into 4 into 4. Okay. So when we cancel by 4 table. Okay. When 224 is cancelled by 4 table. We will get 56, 4 cancel. Again 4 table. We will get 14. This 4 also cancel. So 14 divided by 3 into 6. Now we can cancel 2 table. This will become 7, this will become 3. 7 by 9. They told the ratios are going to be in a format P by Q form where the GCD of the common bracket of P and Q means 1 means GCD of P and Q should be 1. So here 7 and 9 have a GCD 1. So let's fix this is the format. Why not, sir? Can I fix like 14 by 18? Can we fix this as P by Q means these two have a GCD 2. So don't stop here. So this step we can stop, which implies your P value 7. So your P value 7. Okay. Thank you, students.